Let's analyze NVIDIA in the overall market this morning. It is August 14th, 2025, and we have about 30 minutes before the market opens. And overall, it seems a little bit heavy, in my opinion, if we look across the board. But before we do that, let's take a look at NVIDIA right here. NVIDIA has been maintaining this channel, this blue channel that I drew right here, for the last many months, all the way back in terms of around April, May-ish. And now it's just kind of sloping down below the channel, right? A little bit of a change in behavior you can see right there. It's no longer in that channel where the arrow is pointing. Not necessarily bad, but just a first evidence of a potential change in trend, right? As I'm just observing around the marketplace, trying to get a feel, does this market want to continue to go higher? It's always important to know. But that's what NVIDIA looks like. If it's a market leader, it should be leading like a market leader. But if it's a little bit sluggish, we have to look around. So let's look up Meta. If we look up another stock, this one tried to break out yesterday into all-time highs, but the breakout seems kind of weak. Seems like we're reversing instead a little bit here. And so the key thing to watch is to see if it holds its earnings high, which is around that 770 mark and 760 mark. Also looking a little bit weak. And I'm thinking it's the negative August seasonality that I've been talking a lot about. But again, it's always lean into what the markets want to do. And it seems like right now we're prone to a all-time highs rejection, which is really a bearish scenario. I know there was another stock, AMD, that broke out yesterday and definitely tried to move higher. But as of this morning, it's down 2.35%, just about. So not looking too good, but as long as we could hold right there, that would be great. But again, just another point of evidence to look at. And then also, if we look at crypto, right? Very red this morning. It seems like Bitcoin had a failed breakout. Big bearish engulfing candle right there as of this morning. Essentially, that candle right there is eclipsing the size of the previous candle. And, well, that's not what I want to see if a stock is breaking out to the upside. So another point of concern. And obviously, it's going to make all these other positions that I was eyeing not too good. So MSTR, MicroStrategy, down 2.86. If we pull up Coinbase, right? Also finding resistance at the orange line, which is my 50-day moving average, and that's around that 340 mark right there. So also not looking too good